looking pretty. Okay, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' Frenzy. Today I will be showing you how to do your gel nails. You're gonna have to order everything if you don't already have it. You need to get the, what do you call this thing? Nail polish, the base coat and top coat, which is sold separately. And then make sure you have all your nail stuff ready because you just gotta fix your nails. I already filed them. Get all the, whatever you call these, cuticles. Do you guys see the hammock in the background? We did a video on that.
It's gonna be up there.
All right, so base coat. I try to just do a lot of the base coat.
Can you move your hair so I can kiss you?
Who is giving me kisses? I got a whole lot of kisses. So look, I started off at the end like this and then spread it out. Make sure that this is plugged in. For the base coat, you only need to dry for like 30 seconds. I usually do the 60-second one. It does feel dry to me. I'll do another 30 seconds. We're just sitting here waiting for 99 seconds. Okay, they feel dry. So now I'm picking the color. Just like with regular nail polish, you can do 2 coats. But if you're gonna do that, you gotta do it with every nail because it's gonna look different. I do like that much. I did that one time. So I did like 2 coats on one nail and then just 1 coat on another. And it looked like 2 totally different colors. Oh, this color is so pretty. Love it.
I go for you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep, that looks really nice. Ooh, that one's pretty. I really like the way the color looks with just 1 coat. Yay, this color is so pretty, oh my gosh. Don't mind my bony ass fingers. Oh, but my nails are so pretty. So for your color, you're gonna do at least 2 minutes. I did the 99 seconds. It's already like totally dry. It's so fast. We're ready to just go ahead and do the top coat. You wanna do it carefully on the nail and not like get it all over your skin and stuff. You wanna make sure they're all the nail polish is covered up. I am just about done. The top coat only needs about 30 seconds. I'm gonna do a minute. All right, guys, I think we're done. I think I did do this color before. Super shiny. They look so pretty. I think I'm waiting to post this video for when I have the removal video ready. That'll be up here and at the end of the video. Ooh, my nails are so pretty. All right, guys, bye. Phone is bullshit. When you have kids and you're trying to make a video, play games with him.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.